Merlin here. Well, we've got the lift duct decking built up. Engine mounts are made up where the engine drive frame is going to sit. I've actually stood on it, so I know it's strong enough to support the weight of the engine. So that tickles me because that's actually came out nice and strong. And oh boy, what do we have here? It's all bundled up, but I don't know. Could that possibly be a BMW-R1100r engine? I think so. Kind of looks like it has that shape, don't it? I'm going to unwrap it tomorrow. But anyway, the engine is here. So there you go. Happy, happy. Things are looking good here. Everything's sealed up good. And that's where we're at so far. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.